Hey, if you haven't already, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to the channel. I was really impressed with the way that GoNuts Racing handles their registration process. Everything was quick and efficient. I had my number plate and was on my way. I did have to spend some time taking care of my blistered feet from all the hike-a-bikes during my pre-ride yesterday. Time to race.
Man, you can't let him catch me.
I ain't gonna catch him.
I just like people are like, what? He's making me more nervous. Why is he doing it?
Pinhoti guys, you can't catch pinhoti guys.
Attaboy, attaboy. I like it, I don't like it. You ready?
Yeah.
Get it, my man.
Coming up, coming up. Thanks, mate. So this is the hike-a-bike pretty brutal. Got a long way to go.
10 seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On you.
So here we go again. A little simple mistake turns into me getting in my head and getting frustrated. I had actually spun my brakes down so that my front brake I couldn't use and I could no longer shift with my rear brake. I also had a pebble in my cleat so I couldn't get clipped in. It was super steep. I just have a hard time when something goes wrong recovering and getting back on pace. So stage 2 ended up being a very difficult stage for me. At this point, I'm just riding, very emotional, and I'm just trying to get off of the track. Messed myself up good.
Good job, man. You take it on out. Finish that. Whoa.
In looking back, I should have taken a longer break between 1 and 2. It was very exhausting and one of the most difficult hike-a-bikes just to get up to stage 2. I should have took my time also at the top and really rested. I was too tired, too mentally zonked, and just blew that stage.
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Bud? How's life treating you?
1 was beautiful, 2 was horrible, 3 is gonna be my redemption, I hope.
I'd say probably 4. 3's chunky.
Yeah.
4's fine. You got plenty of slack line. 4's fine. Seeing it work up. I'm trying to wait the last minute, then it's hard.
Ah, man, whenever you're ready.
Okay. in the 4th stage hike-a-bike. It is brutal. You. Let's see.
Come on, come on. Where you at, everybody? It's that time. Great day, great day. How'd you guys like riding in dry weather? Yeah? Should we bring the rain back? No, no. Keep the rain out of here. But hey, great day, everybody. Couldn't ask for better weather. It was nice and cool this morning. Still kind of chill right now. But I've got the awards right here. So, real quick to start everything off, thank each and every one of you coming out. Give yourselves all a round of applause for finishing this course. I know it's tough, it's chunky, it's technical. Our third place winner, let's bring down Sean Herman. Big Herm! Big Herm! Good job, buddy. All right, now for our second place winner in our 40 to 49 men amateur, let's make some noise for Wayne Handy. Yeah, bud. And now for our first place winner in our 40 to 49 men amateur, let's bring the noise for Jamie Hazley. Yeah! Great job, guys. Crushing it out there. Let's make some noise for these guys, everybody. Good job, guys.